All right. Again.
Oh. You just said again, but it's buffering still. On the stream.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's just low frame rate. Like real low frame rate. But it is at the correct time.
Okay, let me just kill Alice for the time being. It might have to do with Alice.
It's not lagging anymore right now. Oh, it's just buffered. I'm going back to auto. Because it might be my Wi-Fi too. No, it's still buffering at auto resolution. It's close though. It's pretty close. It's not buffering as bad. But my resolution now is super low.
Yeah, I see. 1030. Oh, no, mine just went to 1060. Oh, now it's just the FPS for me. Oh, never mind.
It's still buffering.
What is going on with my encoders? I think it's encoding this time. Let's see. CPU, 5% drop frames. What did I change from last time that would have killed this? Would it be the... I don't think I changed encoding. Yeah, no, I was custom encoding. Set to off. Is it recording? I turned off recording. See if that fixes anything.
Okay. Still buffering right now. It seems to be doing better now. It's just changing resolution a lot for me. But it's not buffering anymore. I don't want to jinx it. Yeah, I think turning off recording worked.
Is it working now?
I think so. It's changing resolutions a lot. Oh. I don't know if that's you stopping to move, or like you not moving anymore on the stream, or if that's actually buffering.
I'm sitting in front of cards right now.
No, I
Here,
think
I'll
it's
have
fine.
the
It's
color
just switching
changing card.
resolution a bunch. But it should be fine.
I have the color changing card going right now.
No. But my guy is popping up. Like my mic is working, my icon is glowing.
Gotcha.
You just might not be capturing the rainbow card right now. Because you're running it on a different window. Oh, the frame rate's weird now.
Yeah.
I think... Oh. It seems to be better now. Yeah. We're at the... Sitting in front of cards right now.
Oh, wait, yeah. Hold on.
It caught up, I think.
I'm moving a little bit right now.
Yeah, you just quoted... I'm quoting you... Yeah, it seems fine now.
Huh. Okay, yeah, there's just a high stream delay right now, but my my bitrate's
like 20
healthy
seconds.
Now. Yeah.
It's like 20 seconds, yeah.
Okay. Interesting. I wish there was like a catch-up button for the stream delay.
No, it is pretty caught up. It's not instant, but it's like
yeah. I mean, usually my streams are pretty instant.
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
But yeah, if you look on my stream, I don't know if you can.
No, I still have your stream open.
That's the.
Oh, I like the
that's
shirt.
coolest I thought. Yeah. I did a short sleeve. I didn't like it, so I did a collared rolled up shirt instead.
All right,
I
welcome to
exported
the
already.
TikTok live. People who are joining.
So
Sorry,
you
we're
booted up
dealing
TikTok
with.
live again?
Oh no, what I killed was YouTube, but YouTube's back on too.
Okay.
I
Well,
think
welcome everyone.
what might have happened was OBS was trying to run multiple times because I accidentally opened it from a different spot. I'm not entirely sure.
What the hell?
Let me know if that bitrate dips again. If you just have it on like a second monitor or something.
Why was Pixel Perfect not on for the eraser? It's a Pixel app.
All right. Now let's figure out these floors for the room. I'm just gonna copy this floor in. Oops. Hello, floor. Floor, model, move. Move that over here. And we are going to scale this inwards. The goal is to have like a customizable room. Give some little social aspect to this, even though you're not going to really be in your room much.
Yeah.
Just have some option. All right. Debating whether I shrink these walls. I actually... Because these walls are kind of thick right now.
By the way, I just figured out I didn't actually unsubscribe from Adobe, so I did it today.
Oh.
I've been paying, like, I've still been paying for it. It really made me mad.
Yeah.
I was so upset.
Yeah. What's the thickness of these walls right now? 2.6? If we bring it in 0.6. 0.6 inwards, there we go. And then switch it back to 1. And bring that in.
Where are these saved?
Cool. And then just adjust this by the 0.6 as well. There we go. Nice. This is a bit better. Oops, let me go there for the stream. Alright. So, doors and stuff, we will deal with that later. For the time being, I will just throw down a temporary door. Why can't I open the toolbox? Have I been banned from the toolbox?
Yeah.
What?
I hate to tell you this. I hate for me to be the one to tell you this, but...
I was in the game this whole time. Oh my god. Oops. That's good I discovered that now before I did any really big things. Actually, maybe I bring it in another stud. Maybe I just make it 1 stud thick. Like that. And then... bring that in. Nice. Duplicate the floor. Scale that in. Nice, looking good. Somebody named Sebastian just joined the TikTok live.
Yo, a fellow Sebastian. Hello, hello.
Alright, now let's just pull in a random door from the toolbox for the time being. See if it even fits the right way.
Can I use my fonts in Microsoft Fonts? Oh, I can. Cool Helvetica. My fake Helvetica.
How big should the... what should the dimensions of the door actually be?
Dimensions of the...
0.5. Bring that in a little more. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, okay. And then let's just throw in a bed and a desk for the time being. Bed can go over here. Make it like my old college dorm. Oops. Throw that there, and then just throw a wooden table. Okay, that's a little too... I just need a temporary placeholder type thing. Oh, thanks for the follow, Amelia. Appreciate it over on TikTok. I just want to throw in a random table for the time being. Let's see, yeah, screw it, we'll just do this. I actually don't know how this layout should be. Maybe the bed faces this way. I'm not sure. Let me actually Google it. Old Western in bedroom layout. Single bed. Small room. Okay, old Western in... I just want a Wild West, like an old Wild West Inn layout. Is that too much to ask?
Yes.
That's crazy. There's like... Google is not giving me good options. I just want... Why am I getting AI generated images?
That's the bane of Google for now. Like, every image search engine now has so much pollution of AI, it really makes me annoyed.
Yeah.
I look for inspiration for like analog tech, like cool analog tech, and I always get AI pictures. It makes me so upset.
Yuck. What if I rotated it like that? Had it over here. Walk in, bed, right side, shelf there. Maybe these are all placeholders, by the way, guys. I don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna be modeling everything.
Yeah, well, I mean, like a shelf, we could probably just.
We can do primitives for that.
Model.
Yeah. They're called primitives, Hayden.
Are they?
All right. Yes, the basic shapes, the circles.
Got you.
The spheres, the cylinders, the rectangles. They're called primitives. And Boolean objects were actually how the 80s did it. Like the 80s and 90s.
Mm-hmm.
That's how CGI modeled everything. Individual vertex sculpting did not exist at the time. All you could do was math-based Boolean functions. Which is really dope.
All right, and then what I'm looking for is a old table. With a computer at it, of course.
Yeah. Look up antique.
Oh yeah.
If you can't find like old, like things that say old, look up antique. That
Yeah.
probably comes up better.
Just want to get the vibe of this place down. Screw
Should I
it, we just
import
have a
my card
circular
fronts?
table in there. If you think they're ready.
I think they're ready. Yeah, it's really not that. They weren't really that hard to do.
Sure, might actually be too big. Well, let's see. Home, play. Let me just make sure nothing's going on in here. Yeah, it should be fine. Let me disable this logging because we don't really need to have that on right now. Service script service.
I hate to say this, but am I back to going to Blender and not Aspirate? You want me to make some GUI icons in Aspirate?
Disable the analytic logs right now. Perfect. Okay.
Oh, you know what I can do?
No, the analytics are still logging. Damn. Okay, well, I'll just keep it on then. We'll just keep it hidden down here for the time being. Alright. Oh, I mean, I guess I could just disable it. Whatever. Okay. So the room size, I just want to check it out physically, see how it looks. Oh, look at that. Wearing a cowboy hat now. No, I do kind of like this size. Seb, let me know how the... Like, join the Roblox game and just, like...
I'm in the Roblox game.
Walk around the room and let me know.
Oh, like, run it like that.
Because
play.
I feel like the circular table could be bigger.
Did you anchor everything?
Yeah, everything should be. Well, I didn't actually anchor it, but, like, I think it's anchored.
I forgot we have the same character, so I froze to check if you were just watching my stream.
Yeah.
Watch my Discord stream. I think it's actually pretty good. The round table I think could be bigger.
Yeah, the round table can definitely be bigger. But
yeah.
I just...
You got a chair to the side, a lantern somewhere.
You said there was electricity, right?
Basic. It wasn't per room. It was candle. It was lanterns.
Okay.
Per room.
Yeah, so we'll do lanterns. Okay.
I can make a lantern simply, like an oil lantern.
Yeah, well, we gotta make sure like the cards and stuff will have. We gotta make sure the cards are readable too. But yeah.
Yeah. No, we could put a candle at the table too.
Yeah. Okay, would the card opening happen in the room or would it happen just like in a public space?
I think it'd be in a room though.
Okay. Cool.
Because I don't want people overlapping. Because I don't want any issues with like. I know it'd be client side.
It would be client side, yeah.
But I don't know. I think it'd just be easier to separate everything per room.
Okay. Cool, yeah. Then we got the room sizes down. Yeah. So now, for the room, let's just see how it would look if we copy all of this. Group, folder, room, duplicate. Okay, so you could fit 4 rooms in one Well, I guess 5 rooms. No, 4 rooms. Wait, maybe 5? Let's take the last room, dude. No. Yeah, you could fit 4 rooms per line. So we would have 8 plus the ones right here, which would probably be... Okay, I think we have enough space for like 12 rooms.
Okay.
I do want to have like an extra room for overflow. In case, what you would call it? In case like one room hasn't loaded out yet when someone else joins in.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
So hopefully we can fit like 13 rooms.
Yeah.
And I think the goal is to have 12 people. Okay, we'll see. It could possibly make the rooms narrower too. Just a tad, and then fit in one last room, so I have 5 per side. Because it would be kind of nice to just have like random rooms that are always closed.
Oh, I know what you mean, yeah.
But like they can be open to people, but like it's just a random room that's available. So I might actually pinch this in, or we just have to make a 3rd floor. Do we just add another staircase going up one more time?
What about on the
First floor?
Right side? Yeah. What about the right bend?
Oh no, yeah. So that's what I was saying. The right bend is also going to be rooms.
Yeah. If we have
and
8
this
people,
bend. 8 people, and then we try to take up this
if we do
bend
12,
too.
we could do the left side too. No.
Yeah, but the left side, we would lose 1 to 2 rooms on the left side.
Okay. We could do a hallway on the left side.
Oh yeah, we could. There's other. Yeah, I guess there's a bunch of options. I think this could get pinched in a little bit though. You think, or what?
What do you mean pinched in?
This room, or you think this is like a perfect size? Actually, it's probably. I think it's a pretty good size. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay. So we'll just do this then. Let me just group these. Throw this into the room, but then put this in a folder and call temp assets floor wall 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 wall. Yeah, I mean that's all right. Okay. And then we would have a ceiling. Oh. Well, we just have the same circular tables down below.
Yeah, I think so. Just scattered.
Mm-hmm.
I could have like random stuff on it.
Yeah. Are we gonna remake the table, or are we just gonna use the unrevolved table?
I want to remake it.
Okay. What
We
you
can
working on
put
right
it in
now?
as a stand holder. I'm doing the cylinder UI. I'm redoing the UI revolver cylinder.
Oh, the one for the UI. Okay, yeah, gotcha.
Mm.
Yeah. Are we gonna do that for ammo?
I like the idea. Can you animate UIs? Like rotate them?
Well, what's the? I don't even think we would have to rotate it. Remember, we just have it. Just looks like it's rotating every shot because there's always a bullet at the top.
I don't know. I think it would look cool having it rotate.
Oh, you like actually had it rotate?
Yeah. I don't know. That's for both of us to contemplate.
Like, we could, yeah. I just don't know how... I was thinking either have that or just have, like, bullets themselves. Just have, like, 6 bullets somewhere on the screen, and when you fire one, it just disappears off the screen.
It could be that too, yeah. It's totally dependent.
Yeah. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, you can go for that. Alright, so... This can't be a bartender. This has to be, like, a juice tender. Well, I guess it is a bar. Well, would it still be a bartender if they're serving non-alcoholic drinks?
Mixologist, but that's dumb.
Oh, that's sure.
I'm not sure either.
All right. So I can work on some effects. Facing camera. Oh, I did this in oh shoot, this took me so long to figure out in the other game. I'll figure it out fast. We'll get this. We'll get this right.
Figure what out?
Particle emissions, but the particles are facing perpendicular to the movement of them.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay, well, first thing I should do is probably rotate the front and back of these cards, because the front of the card object is actually the back, and vice versa. Okay, so decals, back face should be on the front. No, it should be on the back. And now that should be glitched, kinda, yeah. And then this side, starter GUI, front face should be on the front. There we go. Okay. Now, particle emission. Speed, 1. Rate, 5. Lifetime, 1 to 2. Spread angle, 1 to 0 to 180. Yes.
Add in a minute.
Oh wait, no, I don't want spread angle to be like that. I think no, wait, spread angle, I want the spread angle to only be direction. Also, size, where's size? .1. Okay, well, I don't want you going that way. I want you going just sideways. Just sideways. What if I did 180, 180? No. So up it to 10 just so I can get a better view. About 90, but oh wait, 90 might be it, and just make it so it can't go forward. 0? No. Yo, what's up, Ghosts TV? How's it going? Howdy back? Oh my god, he said howdy. This makes sense to Wild West
Howdy.
game.
Yes. I would be wearing my cowboy hat, my headphones fit over it. Oh, ad break.
Yeah. Yeah, howdy. This still goes forward, which I don't want. Oh, you know what? Top 180, comma 0. Okay, 0, comma 180. Okay, that's actually kind of what I wanted. But now have the particles face perpendicular? No. Huh. Little ad break. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, ad breaks are annoying.
What can we do? Nothing.
Let's just find a random decal for the time being. Sparkle. Oops. Decals. Particle. Just take a random particle for right now. What particle should we rock? Just want to see what's like what a good vibe would be.
We want to do particles or just a glow?
Oh, thanks for the follow, Ghost. Thank you for the follow. What was that? Well, for like a rare, not a rare, like a legendary, maybe the card has particles. I don't know. The issue is I don't like the particles clipping in the card. That's the one issue. I guess if it came forward... let's see. What if we said facing front, did 90, 0, 90, 90, and did facing camera, world up. No. I don't know. I think a beam effect would be cool, but I'm not too versed with how people do. Actually, maybe someone has it in here, and I can just take notes. Let's see. Anime beam. Oops. Can't even spell it right. Anime beam and in models. Let's see. Oh, huge spinner. That's what I was looking for. Okay, well, not that. And why did... What was in the spinner? Oh, okay, cool. Magic circle? Circle beam. I can't spell beam. Beam circle example, no. Anime particles. I'm just looking for like one of those like magic circles, kind of. No. Oh my god, I'm so far from the map. There we go. Lordy, okay. Don't want like actual. I might need to reach out to someone in the Discord to ask them how they do it. I just don't know if it's with beams or particles that they do it with. Yeah, I'll do that later. All right. Yeah, card rarity. Oh yeah, this script. That's gonna have to change because right now that's only happening in the server. Which is not exactly the goal. Alrighty. I'm gonna need to figure out how to get these cards working, but that'll probably come later. Right now, let me actually check the Trello for things that I need to get done. Might do some coding in this stream, perhaps. All right. Okay. I mean, we can get some UI elements in here.
I've returned. There were some technical difficulties that have been
Gotcha.
resolved.
I was thinking I'd do some UI stuff right now, maybe.
Fair enough.
Where should the game status be? Just top center?
What do you mean status? Like intermission in blank?
Oh, just all the statuses.
I think top center, no?
Okay.
Makes the most sense.
Yeah. 0.5 comma 0. Alright, and then position that's a 0.5. And if I scale this out, does it scale out? Oh, because it's still in relative. Never mind. 0, 0.3 and 0.1. 0.3. All right, and then let's throw a ratio constraint in here and say it's like this. 5. Let's rock 5 for that. It's probably the best. All right, and inside of this frame, we'll just make it translucent for the time being because we're not really going to be seeing that. We'll throw in a text label. Do we have the text label take up like the whole status? No. There should be an icon next to it too. So we'll just do the right side. Alright, actually, let's throw in the image first then. That'll help with later issues. Image label. And then throw a ratio constraint in there of 1. Perfect. Anchor point 0, 0, good. Position 0, 0. Size 0, 0. And make the size 1 on the Y. And this can literally be anything. There we go. Cool. So now the image will always be a square, and that's set. And now in the frame we have the text label that is anchored to the right side. So let's go 1 and move this position over to 1 there, and make the size on the X1 and on the Y1 0. 0.8. 0.8 might not work on other displays, so we're gonna test that out in a moment. But we will make this transparency 1, and then we'll say over here text intermission, and just upscale this. And then right here for the image, actually let's just check in the view now. Test device. Oh wait, this actually is working fine. I was thinking it was gonna... Okay, never mind. Nice. Cool. And then for the image label, we'll just throw in a timer icon for the time being. Toolbox, decals, timer. Copy asset ID. Image label down there. Background transparency. And then text color. Where's the text color? There it is. And then frame. I'm going to disable scaled. I don't like text scaling. And I'm going to make it bigger. I just don't know if I have that centered or not. And how would this look on other devices? Oh, right, not good, because text scaling's off. Oops. Is there like a minimum? No, there's not. Okay. I wish there was like a text scaling, but a maximum you could have it scale to. And a minimum.
Yeah, but we have to make
I think
do,
it'd be
guess.
possible in code, but that's something I'd probably look back to later. Also, this text label, I think it's just a little too close. Let's bump this down 7, 7. There we go. And we're gonna have to do a lot of data, so we're gonna need in the player data. We're gonna need to copy over some stuff. How should I go about this? Folder. This will be moved, but right now, player data folder. And then we want first a boolean for is AFK. Have that just turn to false on join. Oh, keybinds. Are there any like things that would require custom keybinds in the game?
I don't think so. No.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
In like what way though? Like what do you mean?
Like have an ability, like the abilities be custom keybinded, or just have it be something easy.
I think it'd be something easy.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So is AFK player data. We also need to send the information to the player. And I think we can do it through this. Right? Yeah, I think the player has access to their... Yeah. Cool. Because I have the leader stats folder in there. Cool. Hey, thank you for the follow, sir. Oh my god, Derp Monster, thank you for the raid. This is,
our first raid.
And Seb, this is what I was telling you about with, the guy that I raided a while back. Who did the stuff for, that Ludwig site, the mogul moves. Money
gotcha.
moves. Not mogul moves, money moves. Yeah, but thank you for the follow, Derp. How did your stream go? With the tower defense, the dog tower defense. Oh my god, a lot of derps, a lot of Derp Nation.
Welcome
followers.
all Derp Nation.
We actually kind of have a derp history too.
Oh god, don't even bring that up.
Yeah. We have Sir Derps a lot.
Yeah, I used to derp a lot back in my day.
Yeah. Yeah, Derp Soldier here.
Hopefully everyone's doing all right.
Night of the Derps table.
If you any of you want to see some game development progress that isn't on screen, any of the stuff I'm doing, that we have a Discord.
Yeah, there you go. There's the Discord.
Discord. It'll allow you to see some of the behind the scenes so far. Pretty cool stuff.
Yeah. Oh my god, thank you for the follows. My god. Too many follows to follow.
A lot of follows. We're gonna have a 200 special soon.
Way to Orange, Michael Dev. And oh my god. I'm gonna butcher the rest of those. But yeah, no, thank you for the follows.
Thank you, everyone.
Fabs TD. Yeah. Yeah, but in the Discord, we have more work of this game and other games that we're working on. We're just working on a remake of a game we made during a game jam right now. We made it in 2 days. So,
yeah, so this one's gonna be a lot better.
Yeah, it was a little buggy. It actually worked pretty well, but it was a little buggy, so we're gonna try to get this one done in, I don't know. I was telling people like a month max.
Yeah.
It would take. It's kind of like an arcade shooter. It was very fun. That's why we're remaking it, because we had fun playing it, so...
Yeah, we played it a lot when we were just with our friends.
Yeah,
so it kind of deserved like a better chance.
Yeah, we thought it could be
being
pretty
a good
fun.
game. Yeah.
Alright, so player data is AFK. Oh, I can also have... No, wait, no, I killed it. Alright. Well, usually I also have an AI person streaming with us too, but I had to disable it this stream because of some stream delay issues and whatnot. I think my GPU encoding was killing itself because it was trying to run some AI stuff as well, but yeah, usually we have an AI model here. You can always tune into other streams and you'll see him.
Yep. All followers will, you can tune in next time when Husky figures out his Wi-Fi problems.
I don't actually know if it was Wi-Fi problems. It might have just been GPU encoding. Because I'm streaming on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch right now. And I'm fine. Knock on wood. Instead of knocking on wood, I just knocked things off my desk.
Oh, very nice.
In the, if any Derp Nation people watching can tell me, I'm not actually sure, who are the dogs fighting? Because it's, Seb, for your context, it's a dog tower defense game.
Oh, awesome.
And the dogs are very, Derp-like.
So you place dogs as the towers?
Yeah, they got a sniper dog,
That's awesome.
There were 2 other dogs, I'm blanking on them. I think one was Boss Man and it was a big dog.
Big dog, let's go.
Yeah.
Are they the diamond dogs? That's a little...
Diamond dogs? What do you mean?
Solid reference.
Oh, so they are fighting cats. I was about to...
Oh, that's awesome!
Nice. Man. Poor cats.
Yeah, if the team name isn't Diamond Dogs, I get it, but that'd be sick.
Are you guys more of a dog or cat person?
if they follow Dirt Monster, then most likely dogs.
Oh my god, I cannot type right now. Yeah. We'll make a little dog for the game. We'll have an dog in. Let's see. Let's see. We'll find well, I don't like free models, by the way, but we'll just pull in like the most derp looking dog right now. Oh. Oh my god.
I'm not seeing whatever you're placing yet.
It's a full rig.
Oh god.
It's a rigged... Wait, I kind of need to see this right now. Let's anchor this real fast. I'm assuming that base plate... I'm just assuming that's gonna give you the, dog. Yep. Okay. I need to see what this is.
Asks, what are you making?
Oh. It killed me. Okay, right now we are making, actually, I want to...
In the simplest terms,
Yeah,
this is a Western kind of battle royale-esque shooter, but the gimmick is that the players are all shrunken down onto a little card table, and you fight on there. And when you die, you can spectate as a normal-sized person, and that creates like a cool little atmosphere. You can see little dudes fighting on the table. And the idea is it's not really a damage-based game. It's more of like Super Smash Bros. Knockback off the stage, gameplay. So when you get every time you shoot them, it creates a knockback effect, and if you shoot them consistently without missing, it multiplies that knockback. So then the gameplay loop basically creates a skill cap too. What's up?
You see my stream?
Oh my god. Oh my god. You got that dog in you, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, so
crazy.
Right now we our progress is we're kind of in the early stages. I have to make the actual game loop. I do like the coding and stuff, but we were doing well, Seb was doing a lot of the drawing of the cards, so this is what our cards are. I mean, we can have it be whatever color we want on the back, but yeah, right now we are just kind of getting all the ideas down in the Trello, just so I know how I want to code it, because I wanted to figure out what cosmetics we're doing, all that jazz. But yeah. Oh, yeah. Colors, cosmetics, rarities. We're also figuring out some of the logic for actually getting cards the other day, because after every game you can get cards, and then cards can have stuff like gun, cosmetics, money, clothes, faces, whatnot. Because, I mean, right now we just have a default model, but it will be a cowboy, so everyone can be a cowboy with different hats and whatnot. This is also just a free model hat for the time being. We have an old hat, but not an old hat, actually. We made the hat recently. Well, you made the hat recently.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're making a new hat too. So right now I just have a placeholder hat just so I can get some of the code in for setting up cosmetics, because we want to also have different faces, not just the
yeah, we're gonna be doing pretty much everything customizable. It's gonna be outfit set, then hat, then face, hat, outfit.
So I don't know if I can what your username
the rarity
is.
colors.
Allie. Is it Allie ESA? Sorry, I don't know how you go by, but yeah, the rarity colors are going to be something like that. We were thinking, wait, what was it? Teal? Was it first?
It was teal. Yeah, let me bring up the folder.
If you look at CS:GO colors, we're kind of going that, yeah.
It will be teal, then blue, then purple, red, and then gold.
Yeah, or yellow. We're kind of on the fence between a mustard yellow and an actual gold.
Yeah, I'm thinking the gold would look a lot better. It's like a paler.
Yeah, the gold could be cool.
More royal. Yeah.
Yeah.
I put both hexes in the script, so we can experiment.
Yeah, so we're not sure yet. What is going on here? All right. Yeah. So those are the rarities, and then for the rarer stuff, we'll have cooler effects for the cards too, because we'll have a glowing around the rim, hopefully. It'll probably just end up being a point light, because the idea is there's free models in this room right now, but we're gonna make our own circular table right here, and then your camera will go to here after the game. Then your cards will just be on the table, and you can flip over the cards and pick whichever one you want as your reward. Teal is special, better than gold. You think? It's more of a dull teal, so it's more of a dull blue.
Yeah, I'd say it's closer to a dull blue.
It would be here, I can just do it right now. Be closer to that. A bit brighter.
Well, I have the hex if you want to pull it up on the script.
Yeah, it would be closer to this. So I was just showing an example.
Yeah.
So it'd be closer to this, and then this would be the red. Well, this wouldn't be the red. It would be a bit more of maroonish, but not as dark. Yeah. Have any of you guys started the game jam for the RDC? I was thinking about it, but we made a game kind of similar to the theme for a game jam last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, last year.
I believe it's last year.
Yeah, decided it probably wouldn't be good to do. Also, we were a couple hours late, and you got to get the jump on those.
Yeah.
Like that 0, 128, 128. You can try that out. Let's see. 0, 128, 128.
That's RGB, I'm guessing.
Oops. What's going on here? 0, 128, 128. There we go. Oh, I see.
I don't see it yet. Let me go on actual studio instead of your stream. Oh, that's a nice teal.
We can write that down in the color codes.
Yeah. Let me put it in.
Right now. Oh yeah, you can do that. Yeah. We just have some colors that we want to make note of in there. Oh, thank you, Zytex, for the follow. Yeah, the gold. How you doing, Zytex, by the way? Hello. Yeah. The gold. Was thinking more like, is this the right card face? Yeah. No, wait, no, paperless card. And... front face. Okay. For the gold, we were thinking more of like... Something like this, maybe. I wanted, honestly, to give it like a metallic sheen, but doing that on a card face, that's it, like...
Show the other gold, too.
I don't think there's a reflection. Yeah, the other gold was like a mustard. Let me...
No, this is the mustard that you're showing right now.
Oh, let me check. Someone asked what we're doing again.
We are doing... I'll go through this. We are doing a... arcadey battle royale western shooter, but instead of shooting each other to the death, which is a possibility, but it's not really the easiest thing to do, the actual premise of the game is to knock each other off the stage, which is a small round table that you get shrunken down onto. So the idea is kind of like Super Smash Bros. Husky, you have a hydrate to redeem. But the idea is everyone starts onto the table in a radial format or however we make the spawns.
Let me get some water real fast, guys.
And the premise is everyone shoots each other, and it deals a knockback damage. And if you hit them consistently, or if you just hit anybody consistently and don't miss ever, it creates a combo of knockback, so it multiplies the knockback force. So it creates kind of a skill-based section of it. It is possible because it does also deal HP. It is also possible to just shoot the person to 0, but that's not really the core gameplay.
I just hydrated.
I hydrated as well. Let me redeem your thing.
I got you. Yeah. I don't know. I was testing out like a color changing card, but I don't really know what it'd be used for.
Could he be your game? Could Zytec be your game, Husky?
Zytec, you can be the host, sure. You can host the game. Oh, why are all these... I hate how these plugins pop up every time I try to run the game. Where is it? Where's the rope tool? I'm getting rid of that right now. Rope. There you are. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, never mind. I gotta do it in here. Rope. It was rope and 2 other ones, I think. Oh. Install. What was the other one? I think it was the rig editor. Oh, not there.
Well, Zytex, you might have to specify because being a game.
Yeah, what do you mean be your game?
Yeah, being a game is not necessarily the same as being in your game or things like that.
I love how Snoop Dogg is one of the options here for dog.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Oops. Where's the old Discord at? Oh, there we go. Now I can see you. What are you making right now? Oh, you're showing off the cards.
I kind of. I'm going to eventually do it. Yeah. I'm just gonna write.
Oh, yippee! I think my phone's bricked.
Oh, nice.
No, I don't know. I tried to check something on my phone real fast, and my phone is not turning on. GG.
Oh, a character like. I think the idea is to be a character in said in the game.
Okay, well, I have my phone plugged in right now. Let's see how that goes. Oh, like character like Super Smash Bros.
Well, the unfortunate thing with that is that we're gonna make preset outfits, so it doesn't really allow us to transfer any Roblox characters into the game.
Yeah, I mean, here's an idea. You can join the Discord, and if you want to help make a whatchamacallit, yo, what is up, Dino Knight over on YouTube? You can join the Discord over here, and if you want to help out with making some of the outfits for the game, we could possibly work something
Some
out.
idea creation, some inspiration. We'll definitely we can use all the inspiration that we can get. You know, we're trying to make this game pretty fleshed out. So,
Did you do some thumbnails for games? Thumbnails like
Roblox thumbnails?
Yeah, we're not the best at those.
Yeah, I think I've made 2 in my life, and both of them are very basic.
How's it going, Dino Knight, though? Over on the YouTube stream. Yeah, let me actually check. We made a couple. Well, we had to do a couple thumbnails because we have a couple games. All of them were... Actually, not all of them were Game Jam games. But, yeah, we did BitShift and Unrevolved. Both of them are, like, basic thumbnails, yeah. Yeah, not the best, honestly. Are you good at thumbnails? And what do you use for the thumbnails? Roblox or Blender?
Or Photoshop, Krita. Could be anything, really.
Oh, yeah. Helping in what? Helping with making cowboy outfits for this game. Because right now... Okay, tool grip editor and brush tool. Cool. Right now, we need a... We're gonna make some cowboy outfits for this game. That's gonna be fun. And time-consuming. Dude, there I hear this duck quacking in this song. Oh my god. But yeah. Cowboy outfits, cowboy hats, cowboy guns for the game.
Yeah.
The cosmetic stuff.
We want to add as many cosmetics as possible, just to allow like customizability. Mm-hmm.
You're free to help if you. I mean, I can't confirm that like you would actually, like your stuff would make it into the game. But if you want to help with ideas and whatnot, you can definitely do that in the Discord. I know you're already in the Discord, Dino. When you did thumbnail, how you use composition lines? I don't think so.
We didn't use
like,
any, but
like rule of thirds or golden ratio type composition
like
lines. Yeah, we didn't use that. For like photography, I use composition lines. But
yeah,
no,
I freehanded like basically a rule of thirds for the original unrevolved thumbnail. I didn't actually use composition lines, but I think because Husky and I have done photography and other stuff like that. Like for my 3D art, I use composition lines.
Yeah, I'm definitely familiar with it.
Yeah, we're very familiar with it, and I think we freehand it enough for basic things. But if we were to make a very serious thumbnail, then yeah, we would probably use composition lines and stuff like that.
I think the spawn...
Very smart to use it to understand your borders and use the negative space. in your thumbnails wisely. A lot of, I think, easiest way to make thumbnails is really to just look at photography and photography tutorials.
Really?
Is that? I think so, because at the end of the day,
That's a hot
it's
take.
the same thing. I think it's a hot take as well, but I think that starts you at the best position. Like obviously 3D design,
graphics design.
I mean, like 2D design is very important, but you know, I feel like photography helps, especially for 3D thumbnails. I should say 3D thumbnails. 2D thumbnails probably look at design, probably look at art, but 3D thumbnails for like game previews or like game cinematic screenshots. Photography is definitely a good thing to look into, or videography. Yeah, because to be fair, Husky, screenshots as well or 3D renderings of the game is a thumbnail in itself. And if you're not following photography rules for those, then it could come out a little unbalanced. Yeah, both play into effect.
Do you spawn randomly in the area of a spawn?
I can run it.
Oh, you do? Perfect.
Since you're doing
yeah,
it wide.
No, it does. Cool.
Oh, really?
I didn't
So
know if I'd have to
anywhere?
code in something to do that.
Let me see.
But,
Oh, yeah.
it's
It spawned me on the edge this time.
Yeah, okay, cool.
I'm going to try it again. Yeah, it spawns you randomly.
Cool beans.
Yeah, I feel like too many games have random spawns for it to be coded. You know, I feel like they made this easy for other developers.
Yeah, probably, yeah. I already don't like this status thing that I have going up at the top.
Yeah, I don't really like it either, to be fair.
I'm gonna skip this one. How to do the intermission? I'm probably gonna have to run some stuff by in like Figma or something to figure out how I want to get these bars looking. Just because, like, I don't know if I might just have a bar on the screen that goes across for each game. Or I could have like a circle that goes around. The circle one would be kind of challenging in Roblox. I think it's doable. It would just be kind of finicky. But I did a bar that went by, that'd be fine. How would we go about this? Okay, well, for the time being, I want to get this ugly thing out of here. Start a GUI and status. Disable that. Alrighty. But character menus. Where should the character menu be?
Character menu? Oh,
Or...
How I'm envisioning it is all the customizable stuff is on the right, but then the AFK button in the shop is on the left. Or if we're doing diegetic for the shop, then just the AFK button.
Yeah. Okay, well, I guess the first thing I should do is have a teleport feature for going to your room. Because I think inventory should just teleport you to your room, right?
Probably, yeah.
My worry is that it would be not, like, intuitive enough. Because, okay, so the idea for the game, because diegetic UIs are very nice and very immersive, and what that is you have, like, you let the player, everything is kind of in the world and immersive. So, like, the inventory, if someone wants to go to their inventory, what would happen is it teleports their player, right, to, like, their room. And then, like, or right in front of their inventory area. And then, say, for gun cosmetics, there would be a bunch of guns on the shelf here. And then you would just click the gun that you want to equip. And then it would also allow for you to, like, show off your collection to other people. It's just the issue is if you have, like, a large inventory, how you would handle pages of guns. And
maybe scroll.
A wardrobe, if you have, like, a big wardrobe. Have you created GDD? What's GDD?
Also, Husky, I think we could, if we do a scroll menu, we can just do filters, like sort by rarity, sort by name, sort by whatever. I don't think it's that hard, right?
What was that?
If we do a scroll wheel, a scroll inventory of all your weapons, we can add filters, I feel. Filter by rarity, because that's how most inventories work.
Oh,
just
I
adding
see.
filters to a large menu.
A game design document? I had to look this up. That might be good to have.
What is it?
Oh,
For the viewers that don't know, obviously not me. I know what a GDD is, but if you can explain it for everyone else.
A game design document. A Roblox game design document. So you can go over, like, the flows, the core mechanics and all that.
Oh, okay.
Progression.
So it's
all
just
that.
it's like a written version of our idea, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. That could be useful, but we kind of do that in our Trello.
Yeah, we do something like this already, but it's another way to organize it. And I've done stuff similar for some classes.
Yeah, I've definitely done it for some high school classes, like for engineering.
I mean, I guess you can combine it. I like to do things like I mean, in the GDD, it looks like you have, like, an MVP and all that. So yeah, I mean, I could definitely make one.
Cool.
Make one and put it in the Discord for you if you want. Let me open up that Discord again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can put a GDD in the Discord if you want. Here, let me link the Discord again. But yeah, all of our stuff also goes into there with development updates. We try to stream once a week.
There's been a few gaps because of holidays and stuff.
Yeah,
but...
there was just a gap because of the holidays, but we're trying to be back to at least once a week. And yeah, I mean, we do game dev on the, like, off stream too. I usually try to get some of the boring stuff out of the way. I usually try to code off stream, but I can code on stream too. I'm just a lot less efficient, and also I just feel like it's kind of boring sometimes watching code. But if you guys want to see me code, I can do that too. That's fine. And then on the YouTube, we're gonna try to be pushing a video out. Yeah. It's an old video at this point. I'm just slow on the editing for it because I have to do some voiceovers, and that's annoying. Alrighty. What are you working on right now?
I'm writing some stuff in the Trello.
Got you. Alright. Now back to this. For the time being, we're gonna throw down a cylinder here. Center this to 0, 0, 0. Move it up. Oh, actually, I probably should have sized it first. We'll do 7, 7. Oh, whoops. 7, 7. Nope. 7, 7. There we go. And then rotate my character so we get a good perspective of this. Alright, it's gonna be a higher table for sure. That's a lot better. Though I think this would be too... I don't know how small we can get with the players. Oh, this would suck if I have to destroy the map. And well, actually, no, I wouldn't have to destroy the map. I would just scale the entire map up a little bit.
Yeah. Plus, we have a lot of asset replacement to do, so we wouldn't really be destroying a lot. Take some screenshots and we can rebuild it.
But I gotta do some tests to make sure that the players can all fit on it well. So if I go into... I have my temp code actually. Let's see if I can convert that real fast. Temp. Oh.
Yeah, for anyone who didn't hear before, a lot of the stuff that is design oriented is not imported yet, just because there's a lot of stuff to be done. So the Discord, which is linked in the chat, will show some of that development, some of the 2D art, some of the 3D art. Have you any advice for level design? I think level design, I think a lot of the reasons why people make, I wouldn't say boring maps, but maps that you get kind of like fed up with no challenge, no directive, is because they don't have a directive themselves in creating the level. I think that you kind of have to treat it like a story for each level. It kind of becomes a storytelling device, like almost like you're writing a story, you know? So each prop should have a purpose, or maybe just have a decoration, but there should be, I think each object that's in the level should have a purpose, and I think that flow is a big part of the map as well. If your level is very windy and makes you lost, that should be the priority of the level, is that you get lost in it. But I think how do I put this into words? There should be a main route for somebody to follow, and I think their player's eyes should follow that, like let's say a trail or something like that, or a road, something that leads the eyes to go a certain way, and that could diverge into 2 sections and stuff like that. Like if you're doing indoor spaces, there should be a main room, side rooms, and they should be proportional to the priority of the level, just to kind of direct the player in the right way. You could have props that lead the player into the right way, lighting that leads the player in the right way. It all basically, you kind of have to break it down and be like, what will the player want to do in this level? So if it's a big open space, they'll probably want to explore. But if it's dark, they'll probably only follow the lights, you know? So I'd say the biggest thing is proportions, and lighting is the biggest thing. So if you have this one long, narrow corridor, but you want people to go into each door of said corridor, like if there's a bunch of doors in the hallway, probably some lights and a light per door and sign per door would make it really more of a push for the player to explore on their own. You know, if you don't add any add any like text that says check each room for a secret item. If you want everything to be kind of how the player does it on their own choice, a lot of it plays into the fact that you just kind of have to read the player's mind, which is hard. You can't get it. You can't get it right 100% of the time. But it, playtesting, having your friends try it, it goes a long way because once you have players playing it or having yourself play the level, you start realizing it's like maybe the staircase is not it's not emphasized enough. People don't really care to go up the staircase because why? And then you start thinking about it. And it could be because the staircase is kind of in the corner, and it's not. It could be the centerpiece. Things like that.
Huh. Why is my... I think I'm getting the size down right. It's just for some reason... Oh, what was that poll, Seb?
Oh, I did a poll. I didn't say it to anyone, but I did do a poll to see if Husky should start streaming coding.
Oh, whoops.
No one voted.
Oh, whoops. I just saw that the poll ended. I was like, what?
I was the only vote.
Oh, gotcha.
It's okay, chat. It's okay, chat.
Maybe
next time I put a
figuring
poll,
out
I'll say
sizing right now, but oh, okay, this is looking like that. For some reason, there's a little velocity issue, but I can just set the velocity to 0 to fix it. It's not that big of an issue, but...
What do you mean velocity issue?
Oh wait, why is size test happening in local? Oh, it was. For some reason my character, when I shrink myself, my character just like is moving randomly, like he's just drifting.
Oh, are you sure the
fixed.
table's anchored? Is the table anchored?
Yeah, no, it's... Oh wait, that might be the issue. Oh my god, it was the table.
It looked like how objects work when they're hit with Roblox physics. When I was watching you playtest it.
Yeah. Okay, and I'm just looking at collision fidelity with shrunken characters to make sure the hitboxes still work properly, and it looks like hitboxes work fine.
Alright.
I want to see how small we can get it before the hitboxes break.
Yeah, that would be something. Although we don't have to be that small,
Well, I'm going to 50. Shrinking them down 50 times.
Also, remember we can enlarge the table too.
Yeah.
We can enlarge the table. Don't forget that. Holy cow!
Yeah.
Does the hitbox change?
Looks like animations are broken.
Really? I don't see anything wrong with it.
It looks like animations broke first. Let's see. Let's do 30,
maybe the stream's delayed. I think the stream's delayed. That's the problem.
I'm not sure. Okay, this one's also broken. Well, let's see.
Oh no, I'm seeing your 50. I'm seeing your 50 now. Yeah, wow. That's something.
Okay, so 35 is also too much. What about 30? Would 30 break animations? No, 30 doesn't break animations. So 35 breaks animations, but 30 doesn't. Oh yeah, and 30 would... Look at that.
You got an
jump
ad break
power.
at 40.
Oh.
I'm gonna snooze
jump
it.
Power.
I'm gonna snooze it.
Okay.
The jump power, I didn't see it yet.
Oh.
It's gonna take a bit.
Whee! This is satisfying.
Shrinking it and then enlarging.
No, like
oh, the jump. Oh, it's beautiful. It's like moon physics.
Yeah, let me fix that. Local,
Welcome back to Tech.
Why is the scale factor messing with the gravity? No, that should fix it. The gravity divided by scale factor. Is it just... It's unproportional? Do I have to multiply it by just like a constant? I'm not... I'd have to actually learn the math for this, but right now I'll just multiply it by a random constant. Let's say 1.5. Okay, that's still crazy. Oh no, it would be... Wrong direction. I don't want more jump. I want less jump. Okay, that's better. Okay, so the scale is just... The gravity thing works really well when it's a nicer scale factor, like 15, but 30... Like, look at it at 15. When you jump in 15... Oh, never mind. Oh, actually, what if I turn it on and off? No. Okay. If I comment this out, yeah, it makes the jumping horrible. So why is the scale factor making it that bad? Okay, let's just play with it and see what would be a good gravity. So right now that's really bad. We want... Not air density, oh my god. There. Okay, 13, and it's usually 100 something. What if it's 100? No, that's too much. 75. A little better. 50? 50 is better. It's just, I feel like the jump force is too much. What about 45? 45 is pretty good. It's just that, like I said, the jump is too high. So local script 15, 196. That'd be like, yeah, that's not even close. I would just say 45. So a player spawns over here, then another player can spawn all the way over there. Workspace. Let's see, what would be a better gravity? Let's try 50.
Icy is Icy says Turtles. Welcome to the stream, Icy is Icy.
Welcome to the stream.
Husky, are you a fan of Turtles?
I was about to quote ASDF.
Ugh.
I like turtles.
Ugh. Cringe! Hello! I like Turtles. I don't like ASDF Turtles.
Well, this is fitting for Derp Master. It's Derp era. Derp Master is bringing back Derp. What are y'all recreating?
Oh, should we drop the, how do we drop the Roblox link? Is it just Roblox?
Yeah, it's Roblox.
Yeah, so...
Very much quoting ASDF, yeah.
In our group is the original game, it's called Unrevolved. But basically the idea is a Western Battle Royale with some fighting game mechanics, like Super Smash Bros. Knocking off the stage mechanics. And it also, we're adding a lot of customization into it to kind of customize your character. So kind of like a, I would say it's a Western arcadey shooting game with customization as a second mechanic, like a earning different gun skins, clothing skins, hat skins, face skins, bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, anyone in chat that's here, we just posted the Roblox link if you want to follow that too. That's our Roblox page.
Yeah, right now we're in the gray boxing phase. All these assets are temporary.
Yes.
We're
And
just
the
trying
Discord
to get the stuff looking nice.
Yeah, the Discord itself has a bunch of the other stuff that we're making, mainly me, because nothing's imported yet, like 3D models, 2D assets. A lot of the stuff is not in the game yet.
Yeah. So the person that keeps glowing above my totally live webcam right now is Sebastian, who's doing the modeling, and then I'm doing the coding and just world building right now.
Yeah. Hello, chat.
Red Dead Redemption clothing skins. We could totally do that.
Believe it or not, Icy, that was the first thing I was gonna do.
Yeah, somebody here is playing Red Dead Redemption.
I've been playing Red Dead Redemption 2 way too much recently, and we just happened to be working on this game too. So I'm gonna be grabbing a lot of reference pictures from Red Dead Redemption 2 for the world, like for the assets, for the guns possibly, definitely for clothing and hats though. Definitely for clothing and hats.
Okay, I think you do it here.
We have a marble table for now, yes. We're very bougie. It will not be a marble table later. It'll be wood, like everything else, because we're trying to keep this pretty realistic to the as if it's in the Western
Thank you for
world.
the follow, Warm Cubed.
What are you making, bro? Roblox game. Listen, I love talking about this, but we should really make it automatic, like exclamation point.
Oh, and thank you for the follow. Icy is Icy. I didn't know you were icy like that. Yeah, we're remaking a game that we made for a game jam in 2 days. So if this game can be done in 2 days, it can be done in a month if we polish it through.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the goal right now. Okay, I don't like that jump height. What the heck? Okay, I don't like that. Workspace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So long story short, Western shooter.
Western arcade shooter.
Arcadey shooter, yes. Western arcade shooter. It's more fun than realistic.
5's actually better. Okay.
Icy is cold like that. Let's go.
Very cold like that. Let's go.
Got the drip.
I don't like how fast the character falls back down, but I want to make it a short jump, but a slow fall. So low gravity and low jump power.
Warm cubed. Warm cubed. It's nothing personal, man. Icy is icy, and you are warm.
Yeah.
I currently hate the winter season. Listen, it just snowed where I'm at. I just shoveled and salted everything around the house. But even then, I still like winter. I'm not gonna be too
Really? Oh, I'm a winter fan.
I like winter, yeah. Spring is dope. I personally, favorite season is fall, right before it gets muddy. It's like that, it still has the cold air, it's flannel season, cowboy hat season. It's just a very fun time. It's not as hot, it's kind of chilly. I like that. And for the Red Dead Redemption map, I think Valentine or any other campsites would be cool. Yeah, Valentine's going to be a big influence for the saloon. It's going to be pretty much indoor exclusively. There will be outdoors views, but you're not going to be able to explore the outside. If that makes sense. It's going to be secluded inside of a saloon. But the Valentine Hotel, I'm going to take a bunch of screenshots of Icy's Icy, if you know the hotel specifically, because it's a very nice hotel, and a lot of the look of it will look very nice in this map. I joined the server. Thank you, Icy for joining the Discord server.
Dino Knight asked over in YouTube. Oh, ads running, by the way. Sorry about that. Dino Knight over on YouTube just asked, how do I make a particle emitter freeze in one position? So, do you mean the particles themselves freeze? Because making the particles freeze, you can set the speed to 0, but that would only make it so new particles being emitted are frozen to 0. Besides that, I think it's pretty hard to make particles.
You probably have to code something to be automated. It would be like
well,
start
no,
at.
You can't just have a particle freeze, or else it's no longer a particle. A particle, the whole idea is that it, on release, it has
There's a decay.
there's a trajectory, and it's gonna follow that.
Yeah. I just started Red Dead 1. Awesome. I started Red Dead 2 specifically because it was on sale.
Objects.
I started Red Dead 2 first
Right.
because it was on sale, and it's also a prologue.
But if you want to elaborate more, you can elaborate in the Discord if you want, Dino.
Oh yeah, Dino for sure. We can definitely chat on the Discord about game mechanics and stuff like that.
All right, I don't like this false speed.
And here's the ad.
Gravity, just lower that to 20. And jump height, lower that to 4. 3. I can do that, the particles will follow the find. Or follow the wind. Yeah, that new wind stuff in Roblox is really cool. Well, I guess it's not very new anymore, but I just like the wind stuff. Do you know how to do realistic fire? Yeah, with the particle emitter and getting like the fire textures. I tried to.
I think the fire texture is most important. Yeah, I think fire, like getting a good texture and that isn't clipped in one edge.
Well, I also think getting a good fire, but also getting a realistic smoke. And just finding the... I feel like the whole thing is kind of part of the craft, because getting like the rate right and the colors right, the good gradients. Wind stuff, yeah, you can do in wind, I think it's in terrain? Or it might just be in workspace. Yeah, it's just in workspace. There's a wind now. Where is it? Global wind. Yeah. So in global wind, you can have wind affect the grass, particles. You can have particles follow the wind.
That's cool.
Do you use a library for server-to-client replication? I have not used one yet. For a bigger game, I would consider it, but being that this game is fairly small, I wouldn't really worry about replication and it possibly slowing down the server. But I do like to handle a lot of stuff client side and not have to worry about constant replication. So like for, say, the color changing card, I would probably have that be done locally and just have a signal be sent to the player. Also have, and also during dynamic flag, you can enable wind direction showcase. Oh yeah, right up, right, it's, oops. Was it over here? I know what you're talking about. Oh, it was in view, right? Wind direction, yeah. We can up that wind direction, and there we go. We got the wind. Yeah. It's very cool. Yeah, I mean, for this game, we really don't
unless we make the most realistic fireplace ever.
Yeah.
We don't really need it.
And it's indoors, so we'll be fine with the wind. But yeah, no, wind is really cool. Like, if you have the grass, you can have the grass get windy.
Yeah. I would say if we remade Breathing Simulator,
oh my god.
The wind would be very much into effect, because we do have campfires.
One of the games that I'm working on right now, the top-down game.
Oh, right, yeah.
That has a lot of grass. That could be cool. Yeah. No, the wind is very cool, and then that you can use air density. I don't know if this actually relates to the wind. I'd have to look into it. But you can have like kind of real aerodynamics in Roblox. I think there's an aerodynamics thing actually. If you go to beta features, I don't know if you guys can actually see this.
What is Roblox turning into? We're getting Unreal Engine 5 in Roblox Studio? Is that what's going on? We're getting next we're gonna have Nanite as a beta feature.
Yeah.
we're gonna be able to import billion vertice objects and have built-in object vertex occlusion.
Oh no, I can't find it right now. Oh, I have to try out unified lighting. If you guys have seen unified lighting.
Is it like baking a light map?
No, it's the new lighting engine. Well, lighting styles for Roblox instead of like futuristic and all that. There's just 2 styles now, which is
we
like...
should definitely try it, yeah. Unified.
I'll do that later.
People can make Unreal Engine for Roblox would be cool actually. All I need is one 300k CCU game. I'm set. Trust, that's light work. What's CCU again? Is it
concurrent users?
Okay.
Unreal Engine for Roblox would be cool actually. Yeah. That'd be funny.
That'd be crazy if there was like an add-on in Unreal Engine that just ports everything to Roblox Studio.
Lord, that'd be, yeah. Roblox would not be happy because they're like their servers with like 2 gigabytes of RAM for a server.
Like, get me out!
Yeah.
Get me out!
Yeah, it would struggle. All right, so I think I found a decent jump height. Actually, let me set these in the local script just so I have some numbers in. Scale factor. Okay, so gravity would be around. I think it was around 10.
Fish is making 350k USD daily. That's more than I can count. Isn't Fish the guy who made that Roblox game at like 14?
No,
the guy,
no.
Husky?
Fish is like the web fishing game.
Oh yeah. Isn't that? Didn't you tell me about that? That's like one 14-year-old and he like got crazy money.
No, that's the please donate guy.
Oh, gotcha. Fish. Wow. That's getting 350k daily? Golly! We'll be like that.
Yeah.
We'll be like that. High hopes. This game is gonna be the next Fish. Chat, trust.
Okay, I messed something up. Was it the jump height? Let's see.
Teenagers all around school take the bus home saying, "Do you want to play Unrevolve later?" That's the dream. That's the goal. And adults over Discord and at work will be like, "I'm gonna hop on Unrevolve ranked later."
Okay, 2 point. Actually, just 2. Okay, jump power 2.
I think the main reason why younger people are so successful in their Roblox games because they know the market better. You know, they like know they know what gets that audience because they are that audience.
Yeah.
So like if they have a general basis of if they have a good basis of coding and design, they're able to make games that just fit the audience so well that it just gets them. And also, I have seen really impressive stuff from like, there's a 14-year-old at the time when Spider-Verse came out that did all the Lego animations for Lego Spider-Man in that movie. He did it all in Blender, and he worked on it. He just uploaded the clips and they put it in the movie. It was awesome.
Nice.
14 years old at the time. I guess he's like 16, 17 now, but that's awesome. It's like, I think when kids grow up with this kind of stuff, with the streamlined programs, because I feel like at our age, the programs that we used, like Roblox Studio and Blender, they were in their baby stages. But now that Roblox Studio is getting more advanced and Blender is getting super, super streamlined and like able to be doing anything, it makes the kids who grow up in that age are used to the advanced software, so they're able to make gigantic elaborate and complex creations. It's so cool. I'm so happy for the next generation in that sense. Skibbity Toilet though, not too fond of that. Creative wise though, I'm very very fond of the
Skibbity Toilet.
Yeah, we can do with less Skibbity, more Spider-Verse, you know?
What? Oh, Skibbity's awesome.
Okay, you watch it, you're biased. I don't watch it. I'm an artist.
Are you guys caught up? Are you guys caught up in the Skibbity lore?
Chat, who's watching Skibbity right now on their second phone? Actually, chat, who's watching the Super Bowl tonight? And who are you rooting for if you're watching? I won't reveal which team I'm rooting for until chat types.
It's Team Swift or Team Eagles, right?
Ah! It's Chiefs versus Eagles.
I haven't been caught up in that in months. Yeah, well, I don't think Skibbity Toilet has actually posted anything in months. I think they took a little hiatus. So you haven't missed anything.
I do not want Lego and Roblox.
Oh, yeah.
However, if somebody made a really cool Roblox game that resembles Lego,
I'm watching, yeah.
I'd still find that cool.
Sure, that's what I used to do. I would just watch the ads.
Watching for the trailers and halftime show. Yeah, that's what I used to do. But now Eagles are in the fight, and my coworkers from my old job, one specific one loves the Eagles, so I'm gonna root for the Eagles. Yeah, a warm cube. That should be the take that Husky's doing, but it's not. Husky, warm cube thinks Eagles should win because Swift owns Chiefs. I think that's the take you should take. Root for the Eagles so that Swift can get a L.
Yeah.
But it seemed like you were rooting for Chiefs.
Well, I said the Swifts or the...
Yeah, but are you a Swiftie?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought you were.
I like some of Taylor Swift's songs.
Pre-Shake It Off, right? I don't think I liked anything from Swift post Shake It Off.
Oh,
Shake It Off and after.
My phone was dead because it was updating. That's interesting.
Oh,
Okay.
that's rough.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
You know what happened to my phone when it tried to update and it died?
What?
It broke.
Yeah, that's what I thought just happened, but my phone turned on. Okay, cool.
Swift shouldn't be the face of the Eagles.
So this camera will be closer and over
agreed.
the shoulder. Tell me a random... Dino, what's up? Tell me a random person in Roblox.
Oh, I think Dino's using that avatar thing.
Oh, yeah.
Stoon. Stoon.
Yeah, Stoon. S-C-H-T-U-N.
It should be a hyper-realistic Chad face and nothing else.
Yeah.
That should be the avatar.
Yeah.
I'm so sad. I want it to be, PETA. What's his name? Egerton? The PETA from Hunger Games, the actor.
Oh, yeah.
Remember the hyper-realistic one? Oh no, it was Tom Holland that was hyper-realistic. I found a hyper-realistic Tom Holland face, and I want to use that.
The avatar, the video you posted in the Discord in Creations, with the animations and the characters. Who's guessing that's what it was for?
That's what I was guessing, yes.
Yeah. Oh, I see you put the stuff in Creations. Got you.
Oh,
nice. Yeah. I gotta get the Discord bot in there too. I was developing a Discord bot for the server. I made one that was working, and then I decided to switch from Mongo to SQL. because
wonderful.
Mongo is just kind of
just switch
like
languages
overkill. Well, not language.
right when you're done.
I guess it's not really a language, Seb. I mean,
Is sequence not a separate
no,
language?
SQL. I mean, Mongo to SQL. It's just databases. It's just switching. SC tunes. Oh, SCHTUN.
Yeah.
SCHTUN.
Sierra, Charlie, Hotel,
You can see it in the Discord.
Tango.
I think it's his username.
Uniform, November.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is my username on Discord.
Alright, so I think I got the avatar height stuff. I just need to get the camera done now. So when you're actually in the game, I need to validate to make sure that the over-the-shoulder camera shift lock-esque thing will work. Actually, I think I can figure that out right here. If I do like 0.5 and I enable shift lock, what would happen? Settings, shift lock switch. Yep. Okay, no, the shift lock is broken. So we'll have to see how this works. Because once you get too close to the character, it defaults to being in first person, even if you turn off, like, the ability to allow first person, I think. I don't even know if that's a feature, like, it seems
I see,
anything,
the game is going to be R15.
yeah, anything below 1 right here is considered first person. Oh yeah, it'll be R15 because Seb apparently likes to animate in R15.
I like to animate in R15, and I'll explain. Well, R6 is like like no joints, right?
Yeah, it's just an arm block.
Yeah, how could you animate that?
People do.
It's impossible. No, it looks horrible in my opinion. R6. R6 is great if it's like walk cycles and stuff like that, but we're doing complex movements with this game. We're doing reloads, we're doing firing, aiming. I think all of that.
Well, I know like
R15.
Phantom Forces is R6.
True, but it's also on the first-person camera. They detach the arms.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean. It's still just like 2 blocks though. But no,
Yeah.
we'll go with R16. And like to me, it doesn't matter. The code that I have not written so far isn't gonna be affected by it. So I think it's really just gonna be for animations. Is
It really
the
is
worry.
gonna be
So
animation.
we'll just see how it goes and.
Plus, you're
Yeah.
already testing it in R15, so it's not going to change anything, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think the hitboxes will be the same no matter what. Because
believe so, yeah.
I've not decided on whether I do custom hitboxes yet. I don't think so. I don't think it's needed.
I don't think it's necessary. Yeah, it looks like the hitboxes are working fine when you're testing it.
Yeah, I just want to set so the camera's current camera and okay, so I never actually programmed it.
So
Did
say
someone-
realistic graphics, slightly realistic. I'd say it would be.
We
on
want
the-
this game to run on mobile.
Exactly. So it won't be realistic, you know, unless you mean realistic like the lighting system, but realistic graphics in the sense that it looks real, but it's not going to be like hyper realistic where it's like every detail is there. You know, it's not going to be 4K textures and stuff like that. It's going to be basic, regular textures, but all home brewed by yours truly.
Yeah, I mean, we want to
hopefully.
make sure that whatever we do is also easy to make more of. So say we have like a gun with custom animations, we want to make sure that we can get these done kind of quickly so that we can push out
Yeah.
a lot of cosmetics.
I pretty much streamline all my animations.
Because the game's not fun if you can only get like 2 cosmetics and then it's just duplicates.
Yeah. It'll be a journey.
Camera type equals enum dot camera type dot. Is there one?
Mobile support is a goal, right?
Huh?
Mobile support is a goal, correct?
Yes, mobile support. Yes.
IC is asking. So yeah, mobile support is going to be hopefully a thing.
Yeah, mobile support will be in the version 1 of the game for sure. Any actions in the game that isn't just moving and looking will be a button on the right side. I'm gonna try Phantom Forces out on mobile, see how that looks and how it plays, so I can take some notes and just some other shooting games too. Are you planning on making the skins through? What do you mean skins through?
If you mean make it completely from scratch, that's theoretically what we're gonna do.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We're gonna make outfits like we're gonna make PNG
and
things that wrap around the.
Someone also asked, I want to make roads and puddles, and at some point without them. Is that a question?
I have a question. I want to make roads with puddles, and at some point without them. What if you're trying to figure out how to do that?
I would say a lot of tutorials online for that.
Yeah. But I think a way that I know from Blender, which probably translates to Roblox, is you have a plane that clips through the divots that are like supposed to be where the puddles are. And when you raise the plane, it's like the water level's rising. And when you lower the plane out of the ground, under the ground, it'll be like the water's going away.
Roblox.
So it's kind of like.
Oh, I know. I just know there's some tutorials online too for doing puddles in Roblox.
For sure. But I think that's how I've seen it be done. Is you intersect a plane, you make it like clip through the ground, like a cube or a plane that's textured like water, and you just raise it and lower it to make it look like water level changing.
Okay, so if I do orbital, and I say player.camera. Oh, wait. Huh? There's only lock first person in classic. What about... changes the camera's mode to either first or third person. No, I don't want to lock first person though. I want to... I want to lock third person. Roblox lock third person. So what if I set orbital and then create so 0.5, 0.5. Oh, I'll check it out, Dino, too. I'll check out the thing after stream for what you made. Oh, okay, this works. Cool, okay. So it's not gonna glitch, is what I'm finding. I just wonder if the character's too small right now. I'm too big. Oh, no, not at all. Perfect. I think this is a... Seb, are you looking at my stream? I think this is a decent-sized playing field.
I think so too, yeah.
I think? I mean, if, like, the character, say, spawns, like, here-ish.
Yeah.
And we would have 1, 2...
If you want to make flat roads, what you just do is add divots where you want the puddles to form. It would look not flat in theory, but that's kind of how puddles will form anyway. In real life, is that roads are going to be uneven. So if you want them to be very shallow divots to make it look flat when it's dry, then it'll still work. It'll just have to be very, very closely animated.
I see. Thank you for the... I just picked this out of the toolbox for the time being. We're going to be making new cowboy hats. But yeah, that's just...
Oh, yes.
And also, you can make a road bumpy and then just make it put like a flat plane above all of it, so that if you're like driving a car on it and you want it to be smooth, you can make it smooth.
True. That's also a thing. Yeah.
Husky, I can't share it. It says, oh, the file exceeds the size limit. Oh no. You could probably find a website that compresses the video, maybe. Or like a file upload site. Yeah, I think that's a decent size. Maybe a bit smaller, but if I go any smaller, I start to get animation issues, it seems. Or at around 25, I get animation issues. So that's why I chose 22. I can try 24. See how 24 looks. Yeah, I don't understand why sometimes it doesn't load without a hat. I think what's happening here is... let me... Oh, shoot. I closed out of my Explorer. Where are you? There we go. I think the issue here is... And I want to fix this if that's the case. Is down here, we're just gonna go player... Oh. For blank, comma, V in players. Get children. And then we're just gonna rerun this. Yep. And then we're gonna say if v dot character. Oh, I'll have to drink. That was my last drop. Thank you for the hydrate. Because if you do glass with transparency 20, it'll be as a mirror. Oh yeah.
Check the reflectance too. Could be the problem.
If character, then we're just gonna run that. Honestly, I'm just gonna make this a function real fast. There we go. Oh wait, yeah. Why don't I just assign it to the starter character? Oh yeah, it's for the service. It's for the. Okay, screw it. Yeah, we're just gonna delete that. This is overcomplicating a script that's temporary right now. But now it should work. Or not. Let's see. I want only errors. Oops. Yeah, that'll do it. Val. Because we already have a V. There we go. Nice. Okay, now we should have no more cowboy hat issues. What I was fixing there, by the way, is sometimes in Studio, well, this happens in-game too, but in Studio particularly, sometimes a player will join before server scripts are completely loaded, so it won't fire the player added event. So it'll just skip over adding a hat to the players, so sometimes you have to do a sanity check where you get all of the players in the game currently. And then, just run the same function as what would be ran right here. Another example of that would be in like my data init function. This is just regular profile service. Well, actually the new one, profile store, I think. And yeah, we run it right here where you just spawn in the player added function to anyone who missed possibly the player added function right there. Oh, this guy already compressed it, but it has a watermark. I hope it doesn't matter because I need to pay $9 to take it out. Oh,
You're chilling.
Yeah, you're good.
I think DaVinci, you can, if you get DaVinci Resolve, which is free, I think it allows you to compress stuff without watermarks.
Is there any way to do puddles without doing this magic to roads? Yeah, I mean, you can do decals. Let's see. I don't think you'll get it as reflective as you want, but wait, puddle. Yeah. Let's see. Here's a okay, well this is a bad one. But yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that puddle right there. It actually has a decent reflective property to it. Reflective value, and you can turn off collision in case this thing, because it's a plane, so it could collide a little bit, but you just turn off collisions to the plane and then you're chilling. It's already off too. Yeah. So there's stuff in the toolbox for you. Let's see what material this is. It's smooth plastic with a transparency of 0.3. Let's see. Yeah, so this is what it looks like normally. But yeah. So it's definitely doable. But yeah, I've seen Roblox tutorials. I've never actually clicked them, but I've seen them appear in my feed for doing puddles using, I think it's with, using terrain. I'm not entirely sure. But no, you can get pretty good looking puddles in Roblox. I know it's doable. Okay, so I'm gonna write a to-do in the Trello, because this is gonna take a lot of, not a lot, but a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna put this in my to-do. Get in-game camera angled correctly. Alright. So now I'm just gonna test out some animations. I just want to make sure animations aren't overlapping when I'm small. Because I was noticing that some of these animations were playing twice. If I go to collision fidelity. Okay, so it looks like 24 is the lowest you can go, which is decent. That's fine. The jump can definitely be played with. Do you mind if I drop the picture of one of the old Roblox character models I made in studio? Yeah, no, go ahead. You can put anything in creation besides malware.
That would be ideal if there was no malware.
Yeah, we've had one person put exploits in it already. I had to remove it for obvious reasons. We don't support exploits here, but yeah. Okay, Dino, I'll check it out. Oh wow, I see. That's an awesome cowboy outfit. So have you checked it out?
No, it's in creations.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what call it? His name.
Yeah, I like that. That's really cool. Good work on that.
Freaking Red Dead 1. John Marston! It's John Marston.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I believe.
Exploits is crazy. Yeah, well, it was like a wrapper for exploits. They made like a UI for some exploits, and I was like, are you kidding? Oh man.
You're joking.
Yeah. No exploits here. Yeah. And I try to implement like not just an anti-cheat, but just like proper client-side code so that there's more of like a zero trust between the client servers. So anything that the client sends is validated on the server. That's my form of anti-cheat, and that's usually the go-to, not just like writing even more tedious code that's always running checks on players and stuff. But some of it's gonna have to be necessary. Like I think validating hits, because I want to get hits feeling really nice and realistic. So hit validation's gonna have to happen on the server, but it's gonna be tedious trying to get that working well. I was planning on making a story game with them, but I stopped to make character models for other games. Oh, nice. Got you. Yeah, it's really cool.
Alright, I'm gonna have to leave, unfortunately.
Oh, got you. Okay.
But I will chat. I'll see you later. Husky, see you later.
Yeah.
You guys have a wonderful stream.
We'll be wrapping up
Yeah.
in
I'll catch you next
bit
week.
too, but
Yeah,
I still
I'll
have some
catch you.
stuff I want to get done.
I'll catch you chat next week.
Yes.
See you later, gang.
Make sure you join the Discord.
Yeah, make sure you join the Discord. I'll be posting
But
my
I'll
progress
still be
there.
here for just a little bit longer. I want to get a couple more things done or checked out with character models before we're done.
Alright, see you later.
Yep. Now it's just us, chat. No more artist. Now just raw scripter. But, what I want to work on... Oh, oops, actually, I should be in the game for this. I want to get the gravity stuff done. So, it works out well, because this seems to be fine. I just worry that... So, what happens right now is when a player gets hit in the air, their knockback force is just a lot stronger relative to standing on the table because of friction. So I want to see if I can find a way to counter that. So even if you're knocked in the air, it's still like the same distance knocked back per hit. Because how we do it is we just apply a force to the humanoid root part when they're hit. And right now that seems to... It works okay, but... Yeah, if you're just caught off guard and you're shot while you're in the air, you will get knocked back like all the way off the mat and die. Yeah. So we kind of have like smash mechanics for the game where when you get shot enough, you just have more knockback and then you get launched off even harder. But when you're in the air, it's like if you have like 150% in smash, and yeah, it's pretty bad. So I'm just gonna check right now to see if I can get the jumping stuff. So jump turns... Oh, floor material. That's what I need. No, wait. I'm not sure. Is there a velocity? Where's the velocity? Is it in the humanoid root part? Yeah. Where do I check the current velocity of the player? Because I need to detect somehow when the character's in the air. But jump is only when you press spacebar. Floor material kind of works. That's probably what I'll have to move to. I don't know why move direction for Y doesn't change when I'm in the air. I guess I don't move enough. What's walk to point? Oh my god. That's funny. Interesting. Walk to part. Slope angle will decrease. What is up, chicken nugget? Do you like chicken nuggets? Is that your favorite food? I'm a big fan of chicken nuggets. I usually use like Frank's Red Hot with the chicken nuggets. Oh man. I have not worked with NPCs, so this is my first time seeing like the walk the part and all that. I do know there are navigation meshes. I don't know why I can't see them right now, I just enabled it. You might have to bake the navigation meshes. Yeah. What velocity you using? Velocity for the jump? What do you mean? Velocity in what context? Oh, automatic scaling. Yeah, that makes sense for walk speed. Use jump power. Oh, jump height. That might be better, actually. Oh, that would be so much better. I'm gonna use jump height. 0.2. Oh, for... that's gonna be tweaked a lot. We are not sure. That's gonna be kind of, oops. Yeah, that's gonna be tweaked a lot when we, jump height equals 0.2. And then jump height is equal to, like, 5. Yeah, that's gonna be tweaked a lot. I can check the old game. You can check in... Oops. You can check in the old game too if you want, if you play it with people. It's in our Roblox group. Actually, I can type the Roblox group if you want. But yeah, I mean, you need a friend to play it with, but it's gonna be played around with, and it's probably gonna change because we're gonna add obstacles and stuff into the game too. Because playing on just a flat map is fun, and there probably will be a game mode with that, but there will be like pickups and stuff in the new game. Yeah. Workspace, my character, humanoid. Let's see. Auto jump enabled. What's the... Oh, okay. It's probably for pathfinding. Oh, I see. Platform stand. Alright. Sick. Yeah, I guess when floor material is air, we'll just have to decrease the knockback, maybe. Let's see. Is there a friction material that I can check out real fast? Let's see. Part. Where's like the... I thought there was a frictionless button. There's massless. What about custom physical properties? No. Oh, friction right there. Yeah, so there is a friction force on the ground. Well, Dev Forum says that using body position doesn't produce that air knockback. It would be more body mass. Body position, yeah, body position wouldn't matter for knockback. What I'm saying is when you're in the air, there's no friction forces of the table. So say you get shot on the table, you get knocked back less, but if you get shot in the air, you get knocked back a lot more. I think it's because of frictional forces. Oh, you know what? I can do this. we were just playing with this air density. I can turn up the air density, so then there'll be more frictional forces in the air. Make it equivalent to the forces on the table. If I do a 0.5, I think it was. Yeah, I think that'll actually help it. What was it for? Oops. Okay, well, we do have to figure out what we want the friction forces to be. Because right now, like, if you set it to 0, that would not be good. Because then the player's not gonna stop moving. But, like, workspace, air density. Let's check if air density is just friction in the air. Roblox air density. I hope it's a 1-to-1 conversion, so I don't have to worry about okay, air density, ground level, air density, see Roblox units to calculate aerodynamic force. Oh, I'm not sure. Huh. Oh, I think it is. Wait, RMU is converted to kilograms. So if we go to air density, where's air? Okay, air density, kilograms per stud. Oh no, that's aerodynamic forces? Oh, man. What is this game about? We're remaking a game that we made for a game jam that we thought was really fun. So it's a arcade shooter where a bunch of small characters are... Actually, I can just show you. A bunch of small characters are teleported to a table like this. And you're all given a gun, and you try to knock each other off the platform because the guns have knockback. So it's kind of like that slap game where you like slap people to knock them, but it's with guns, and there'll be obstacles and stuff that you can dive behind for some game modes and power-ups. And after the game, you can get cosmetics for your gun and change how your cowboy looks. And then we'll be able to like show off your inventory in your rooms. Wait, was this the current game jam or last? Oh no, this was actually a community game jam on shoot. I'm blanking on the it was a content creator. I think it was Row Builder, if you guys know of them. But yeah, we kind of misinterpreted the game jam. It was more of like a Blender jam where everyone was making Blender assets, and then we made an entire cowboy game because it was Wild West themed. So maybe that's why it was a 2-day game jam. But yeah, we had 2 days to do it, and we threw it together, and it was really fun. So we are now making a more polished version. Oh yeah, and these are the cards that my friend Sebastian made for the game. We can change the colors on them. This is just oops. This is just an example of all the colors we can have, and this is what the front of the gun, like this is what a gun cosmetic unlock would look like with a gun skin on it. And we've been working on a bunch of other cosmetic cards too. Cosmetics themselves will come in later. Yeah, what's the friction on this thing? 0.5, yeah, so that's why I set the workspace to. And are players affected by air density? Let's see, Husky. Would it be in humanoid root part, that one? Yeah, enable fluid forces, so that's air density, I think. Yeah, aerodynamic forces. Cool. So theoretically, that might actually be a fix where you just make the air friction as high as the item friction. Oh, what did Dino say? Yo Husky, when you guys can y'all help me make Squid Games? There's a bunch of Squid Games Roblox games that already exist. So sorry, I don't think we would do that. Though that sounds really fun. And do I have Fortnite? I do not, though my friend keeps trying to convince me to play it with them. I don't want to, though. Though I did hear that Season 2 is back, which is when I started playing. Yeah, it's fun. It is fun. It's addicting, but that's kind of the reason why I don't want to play it, is because it's fun and addicting. And I want to get some work done. Like, I have a bunch of projects that I'm working on right now. Game projects and coding projects. Like, I'm getting that Discord bot done for the server, and I can actually send the link to the Discord in the chat if you guys want to join in, because we'll be wrapping up stream in the near future. But, yeah, you can join in there. We're trying to just build yet another small community for people to get help making their Roblox games, or just games in general, because well, I know the toxicity and a lot of those like really big game communities, game dev communities, where it's not really people helping each other out, more just roasting each other. Oh my god, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Just said follower goal reached. Did I have a 160 follower goal? That's crazy. Well, that's nice. Yeah, thank you for the follow. Is it Shake? Is that how you pronounce it? Or Chic? Yes, thank you for the follow. Oh, shoot. Sure, as the music was done. It's probably a good sign to start wrapping up streams soon. But yeah, no, we'll definitely be streaming next weekend too. Oh, thank you for the hydrate. I just ran out of water, but I'll try to drink out the last couple drops. Oh, and thank you, Kenton, for following over on TikTok. Much appreciated. Also, thanks for sharing it over on TikTok. Wait, in Tower Defense Simulator, there's a cowboy tower with the skin. Yeah. Yeah, there's a cowboy tower in Tower Defense Simulator. Definitely have to reach out to them, and we'll, oh, thanks, Kenton, for liking, too. We'll collab with TDS for sure. We'll take the cowboy skin. Yeah, no, Seb and I both have some really funny ideas for some just, like, future endeavors for this game. If we, not if, but when we publish it, hopefully in a month. That's the time limit I'm trying to set for the game. Maybe earlier. Depends on how fast I get some of these mechanics done and not run into any issues. But yeah, so far. Like, I want to have a barista here. We're doing non-alcoholic drinks because that would lower the Roblox rating. Oh my god, another hydrate. I'm out of water. Oh man. But yeah, the barista, since non-alcoholic drinks, we'll just do like water cups. Glass of water. Yeah, we'll just have like a glass of water sitting over here. Okay, or don't move. There we go. Yeah. Bunch of non-alcoholic stuff, so we keep our all ages rating. Because apparently guns don't really contribute to that, so... Because that's just mild violence, so it's still rated for everything. But if there's reference of alcohol, then Roblox starts to get a little angry. Get more water? Alright, I'll get more water real fast. 1 second, stream. All right, I got more water. Here we go. I'll take a sip. Nice sip of water. A Coke? Yeah, there'll be like a Coke or Sprite. Stuff like that, yeah. Maybe add like a little bubble particle emitter at the bottom of the cup. That'd be kind of funny. Add some little carbonated bubbles in there. Oh, man. Yeah, so that's gonna be the bartender. We'll have a bunch of non-alcoholic drinks in the back. You know, can't have anything alcohol like in there. I think mixers are safe though, because you can mix non-alcoholic stuff with that, but just no alcohol looking glasses. So no like no cocktail glasses. Or I think a whiskey glass might be fine though, because I mean I drink OJ out of like wider glasses. Yeah, like a wider glass should be fine. And I want to have like the bartender have little animations that he goes through. Just make the area a little lively, you know. These will probably be things that get done for the V1 of the game, the MVP. I want this to be fairly polished, and then we'll probably go through some advertising too. Once we get all of that, once we actually polish the game. So yeah, definitely join the server. Let me send it one more time before I log off. Definitely join the server, because we'll be looking for game testers too in the future for this game, to make sure that all bugs are squashed before the actual release of the game. Alrighty, what's going on here? All right. Cool. All right, yes, I think I'm gonna wrap it up, but thank you guys for watching and for sticking around, and I'll have to return the favor to Derp in the future. Oops, what just happened here? Oh, cool. Okay. Yes, thank you, Derp, for the follow and for the raid. Yeah, I'll repay the raid. Cool. All right. Oh yeah, no, Dino, you can definitely be a game tester when that happens. But yeah, make sure you join the Discord for that. I think we will set up a raid. Let's see. All right, there's only one other Roblox Studio person right now. All right. Yep, it looks like they're making a military game. Looks like they're designing a military game right now. Yeah, so go drop into them in a moment. But thank you guys for watching the stream. Make sure you join the Roblox group if you want, and the Discord, and also check out the YouTube. We'll have our first full video in there soon where we made a game in 101 minutes. And I won't spoil how that goes, but it was interesting, and that video will be out in the near future, and I always say that, but I hope to actually get it done soon. So yeah, I will be ending now. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Starting the raid. Make sure you're nice in this channel too. Don't be mean to them. Yeah, all right. Thank you guys. Bye.